welcome back to the channel. I'm back at the Michaels location that I went to just a couple weeks ago and filmed a video around the very limited amount of model kits that were at this location. I went into the location again as I was looking for something else for our hobby, some jewelry, making tools and such for wiring, and I went back and I looked back at those model kits. Unfortunately, they were not there at all on that back wall. They were actually in an aisle again, an aisle close. And here we have Gundam kits, all new kits. These were not here a couple weeks ago. A lot of these kits are kits that have come out recently, all AMT from what I can see. There were a couple from Revell, few ships, but a lot of kits that weren't there before. I enjoyed seeing this. The prices were definitely reasonable with today's market for model kits and the pricing, but I was very much astonished that we had model kits again. So this led me to look further into it, and it appears that what was happening was they were clearancing off old kits. Unfortunately, the clearance prices were not there for you to see, and then new stock came in. So it appears they had an issue with Revell, and now it is strictly Round 2 that is providing the model kits, and Testers has provided a little more paint than usual in their stock, which is great. A few Airfix kits here, a couple ships, Gundam, but great overall. I did want to go and see maybe there were other supplies somewhere else for paints, rattle cans. Maybe we were seeing something else that was an addition as well. So I made my way over to the locked up rattle can area, and unfortunately it was new stock, new colors for Rust-Oleum and such, but nothing Testers, no hobby paints specific brands. And that was unfortunate to see, but I definitely enjoyed seeing new model kits that were there, kits that weren't at Hobby Lobby. So Michaels is bringing kits back. Definitely check out your local Michaels. Ask if they're getting new model kits in. You may be surprised just by a couple weeks that there weren't kits, and now there are.